Today I am reviewing this Amigurumi book. This book is called uh, Amigurumi Wonderland by Alicia Shelton. And this book has basically 20 patterns and they are very beginner friendly and they are for people who want to improve their Amigurumi skills and those who want to begin their Amigurumi journey. This book is divided into three parts, and in these three parts, the first one is an introduction to amigurumi, the stitches that I use, the tips and techniques, and the second part is where all the patterns are given, and there are 20 patterns in total, and here on the screen you can see them. They are different characters. They are with basic shapes like an apple to a heart, to some complicated designs. There is a flower, there is a frog, there is a butterfly, you can see a mermaid, a knight. There is also some animals are there, and each of these amigurumi pattern has been given a name. So I really like that detail. And in the third part of the book, this author tells how to use this designs, especially for the kids, how to get creative with them, and how to have some fun games and activities with them. So to review this book, I just made one pattern out of it, the one which I really liked, and it was this. It's a flower in a pot. This is called Rosalind. The name of this flower is a Rosalind. That is the name, and it is a white flower with six petals, yellow center, and two green leaves, pink pot. And to review this pattern, all I can say is it has turned out wonderfully. The pictures that the author has given alongside every patterns are very useful, especially when you are assembling all the parts together. For example, when I was making the flower, when I was joining the leaves together, I had to look at the pictures, and I knew where to put the needle and how to join the six petals. Also to join the center from front and also from the back, and where to join the stem, and where to join the stem to the pot, and also how to join the leaves. uh, uh, these pictures have really helped me, because many a times when there's a written pattern for amigurumi, the assembly pictures or the assembly part is a little neglected, and this is where most of the amigurumi makers struggle. You are able to make all the parts, but when you are assembling, it is not correct way, so the whole pattern doesn't come out in a nice manner. But here you can see it has come out nicely, and that is because in her picture she had given exactly where to place a needle. For example, when I was attaching the stem, I knew exactly where to attach it, because she had placed the needle in the picture with the green thread in the exact same spot, and how to and where you have to attach it with the pot, and same while attaching the center to the flower petals. So it is a cute little design and nice face details, and this is my first ever plant amigurumi, or a potted plant amigurumi. I have never done anything of the sort. I was missing one piece in my collection, so this will be staying with me on my desk here, on my working desk here, for many weeks to come. And I really enjoyed making it, and I will recommend this book for beginners, those who are looking to start amigurumi and practice their skills. And this is a good book, and I think you should use it. I used the Kindle version of this book, which was free on Kindle Unlimited. So if you want to buy a physical book, you can purchase it on Amazon. It is very easily available. So that is my review for this book, and thank you so much for joining. And for the next book, the next amigurumi design book, I will be sharing in post when I will do the review for the book. And you can just keep in touch, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.